Okay, so I got my Cash App merch in today. I ordered a shirt from shop.cash.app. They send it in this dope box with stickers on it. Let's open this thing up, see what it's all about. Yo, what is this? This is not what I ordered. Wait, is this a bag? This is a bag. Okay, so they send it in this bag. Check out these tags, like this is sick. Got this paper in the front. So that was just my order details on that paper. It's got a Velcro thing right here on this bag. Inside is my shirt. There's the shirt. Yo, this is like heavy duty. Like heavy. This is embroidered. Dang. Yo, this is like heavy duty, man. This shirt is dope. There's the back. Yo, this is like one of the best things I've ever been shipped, from like the box to the packaging, the bag, the shirt, the quality. Amazing stuff, Cash App. Cash by Cash App, made in Los Angeles. Check that out. All right, let's put it on. All right, here it is. The sleeves are like super long. Like it's not my type of fit, but it's dope merch overall. There's the back. Pretty cool stuff. Just so you guys know, you can go to shop.cash.app, look through all their merch. Definitely check the details of each item. Some of these are like made to order, so they take like 6 weeks to get to you. Mine only took a week or so pretty quick. And if you pay using your Cash App balance, you can get 25% off. So for this shirt, the bag, everything, the whole box they sent me, it was only $16. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found this merch review helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.